Hey John, Abs here from Burtness Chevrolet, Buick, GMC, and Whitewater, giving you a quick video on our 2020 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss Crew Cab. This truck only has 6,000 miles on it. It is a one-owner truck. It does have your safety packages. It does have your leather package. You see here it has the dual exhaust coming out of the bumper, equipped with the full trailering packages. Spray and bed liner from the factory, rear sliding window in the back, then the factory 2-inch lift with the Trail Boss edition, along with the Z71 package there. Front, you do have your painted front bumpers, along with the blacked out emblems, the red accents, and then you see here your front parking sensors as well. The inside, you have your full leather interior, keyless entry and remote start, heated seats. You got your all-weather floor liners right here from the factory. Upgraded Bose stereo. All your trailer modes right here. Push button 4-wheel drive. Vehicle does have your heated steering wheel there. You can see the full entertainment center. Got the big radio, heated seats, trailer brake controller, rear parking sensors, power liftgate from the inside. You can power it down, along with the sunroof. You see right there, 6,200 miles on it. Very, very good looking truck. In the back here, you'll see you have your floor liners all the way through. Got your USB ports in the back and full leather. You do have a lot more headroom and a lot more leg room back here as well. They've increased the size. And you have extra storage right in here. Got your full running boards, 6-inch running boards. Great looking truck, John. If you'd like to take a look at it in person, please give me a shout. Again, my name is Abs. Phone number is 262-473-6060. Thanks, John.